For your information, there's a lot more to ogres than people think.
Example?
Example? Okay, ogres are like onions.
They stink?
Yes. No.
Oh, they make you cry?
No.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs.
No. Layers. Onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it. We both have layers.
Oh, you both have layers.
You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
I will help you just to get rid of you.
Deal. How do we get past the guard?
Harvey.
Oh!
रोमी, तुम हमेशा कहती थी ना कि मेरी जिंदगी में कोई लक्ष्य नहीं। याद है? अब है। वो है मेरा लक्ष्य।
एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my इंडिया, वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन